In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams, both before and during your meetings. Let's dive right in and make your next video call a little more personal and a lot more fun. First, start by launching the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop. If you don't have it installed, no worries. You can also access it through your preferred web browser. Once you have Teams open, you can either join a meeting or start one yourself to test things out. This is a great way to familiarize yourself with Teams features without any pressure. Before you join the meeting, you'll see a preview screen. Here, you'll find the background filters icon. It looks like a person standing in front of a backdrop. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll discover a range of options at your disposal. If you want a simple and professional look, you can choose to blur your background. Alternatively, there are several preset images you can pick from to spice things up. If none of these catch your fancy and you prefer a more personalized touch, you can upload your own image. Just click on Add New and select an image from your computer, allowing you to create a backdrop that suits your style or mood. Now, what if you're already in the middle of a meeting and feel like changing things up? No worries. It's just as easy. Simply click on the More Actions button, which is represented by 3 dots on your toolbar. From the menu that pops up, select Effects and Settings, and then navigate to Video Effects. Here you have the same great options. Blur your background, select one of Teams' preset images, or upload your own custom image. This way you can adapt on the fly, regardless of where you find yourself during the meeting. Once you've made your choice, whether it's customizing before or during your meeting, make sure to click Apply. And that's all it takes. Microsoft Teams will remember your selection for future meetings, so you won't have to start from scratch every time. Just a small change, but it can have a big impact on how you present yourself in virtual meetings. And that's it. You now know how to change your background in Microsoft Teams both before joining your meeting and while you're in a meeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and check out my other videos for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you're interested, I can also